Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Yguekcbe. This is the ransomware, and my video is only for educational purposes. In my video, I will show you how this ransomware affects the files. I'm not going to promote this ransomware. I'm not related to this ransomware. Before the ransomware attack, of course, you are able to open your data, your files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and all other data. All that can be opened easily without troubles. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware with this strange name can be injected. So it may pretty soon do its malicious job. It will decrypt the files and will add this Yguekcbe extension to the data. Now, the ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money without getting the data recovered. So, do not pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. I recommend that you immediately remove this ransomware with the help of a reliable anti-ransomware program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then click on Start Scan button to begin researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. While the scanning is taking place, please pay very careful attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders that will always be under the protection. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the files, though. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data in the future. So, at the end of the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed by Combo Cleaner on your computer. Combo Cleaner not only detects ransomware, it also can help you to fix your browser-related issues. It will help you to remove adware, browser hijackers, some potentially unwanted programs, unwanted pop-ups, and it will help you to fix browser redirection issues. So then at the end of this scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations. I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected.